In this video, I want to talk about how you can buy on Webull. Now this is really easy, guys. You want to head over to either the app or the web trader, and once you're inside of here, you just want to look for any stock or whatever that you want to buy. So you can either go to markets, or you can go to the stocks, or whichever one, or you can just find on your watch list or search for some in here. So let's just search for Amazon. Let's open up the Amazon, or let's do Tesla. Should work as well. So just open up this one and you will be able to see the price and the chart right here. So if you wanted to buy this one, there will be a buy button here, but you need to have an open account to do this. So just keep that in mind. Unless you want to do paper trading, which you can do here, then you can buy it directly. So you can see I'm on the Bitcoin here. I can change that to Tesla if I want to. And then you just want to buy or sell. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as that helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.